coding. But have you ever wondered how does ChatGPT actually work like that? How does a machine can understand my questions and give answers properly in seconds? Let me show you. Hey everyone, I am Bharat, and in this video I will explain about how does large language models actually work. Core concept. The simplest way to understand an LLM is think it as the world's most advanced autocomplete. You know, while you are texting to others, the next word automatically suggests to you. It is also like that, but in a maximum scale. Tokens, puzzle pieces of languages. Instead of guessing whole words, ChatGPT breaks everything into tiny pieces, and that pieces is called as tokens. Tokens can be symbols or words. It doesn't know what is pizza. Instead, it analyzes the billions of sentences from internet, books, and articles. It plays a statistical number guessing game, and it is a pro in it. How it learned? Through a process called training. Imagine you trapped a smart robot in a library with internet. It has only job to read everything over and over and find patterns. Real world example. Suppose I ask to write a recipe for cake that tastes like a nostalgia. The AI never know taste like nostalgia, right? But it give answer like. What about creativity? How it is very creative? How does it write poems and jokes? When it comes to the creativity, the LLMs don't always pick this most likely word, but it chooses randomness to sound more natural and creative. That's why it surprises with unique answer, but also sometimes it make up things. Creative answers are always not 100% right. Key points we are learned in this video. If you guys found this video helpful, subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye.